The thing, our Jamaican lifestyle. We not gonna mingle with no man.
Yeah, man. Dougie band no clothes, man. Reebok, Dougie band now.
Where band now?
Reebok, man.
Reebok.
You know band your kid?
You know what I mean?
You buy no shoes too.
Shoes and clothes in band now, man.
Reebok. And soldier clothes.
And soldier clothes. Reebok
And soldier clothes.
But Jay left him, you know. Jay have him, man, they were coming out her. Jay left him, man. Jay don't want him again.
Jay left you?
Jay run all on this.
No, Jim, you know me over foreign.
Oh, you know what? You can't touch Jay, no, man. Jay don't want you, know.
You know what I'm I'm boxing your face, me saying that.
When Jay see her run, Jay run, come up here.
Walk over.
What you gonna do?
Walk over.
What you gonna do?
In bush him so. Me tell him that.
And Joel let's say, and Golden say, 3 o'clock if you left half
3 o'clock today you have to go to your bed.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Andrew on the side.
3 o'clock, no fear him.
No afraid of him.
No fear him.
Soldier will kill her with liquor.
Who you not afraid of? The Prime Minister?
Yes.
Where name? Where Prime Minister name?
He's on dead.
Where Prime Minister name?
I got it. He's on dead.
Andrew Wellness.
Yes.
Where name?
On dead.
Where Andrew Wellness name?
Golden.
Eh?
Where Andrew Wellness name?
Golden.
Andrew.
Golden. Andrew Golden.
Andrew Golden.
And you not listen when I say you not go to your bed. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. None.
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 Police and soldier kill her with lick, man.
Yeah man, I'm gonna beat you.
Me. Kill me.
You're not bad. Dougie, you're not bad man, you know, man.
Now cut up commercial. And go show. And spin over. Back again. And then show.
What will happen?
You pick me up and gang me up.
Wait.
Me hear that.
You know why you up there again, brother. Your teeth
What is it,
Your TV whole like back limb up there. You know why you up there? You know why you up there again?
You been just say.
When this one?
You been just say come. Come Dougie, come. No gear gun. Come.
Gears gun. They your teeth have whole like back limb up at camp. They don't want to see you.
You know what I mean?
Your teeth up there. Remember say I be a little get up there.
You been just say come Dougie, come. She want just say come Dougie, come. Lucifer, Dean, come Dougie, come.
Where them all do? Where them all give you?
Give me a gun.
And what you do with it? What you do with it?
Show me no me waist so.
And then do what?
I'm going so.
And spar.
Show me how you boss it.
I'm going so.
And who you shoot?
Boss one out there.
Boss one out there.
And just bam, 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 bam.
Hold on. Boss one alone.
Boss
One.
one out there.
Boss one alone.
Boss one.
I'm going so. Juice. I'm going so. Clack up.
Yes.
Hold on. Boss one. Boss one alone if you boss.
Boss one. Boss one. One
alone.
One. Yeah.
Clack up.
Black tiger.
What do you happen when you come from foreign again in a plane, man?
Yeah. When you meet, I am here about it.
What do you happen?
I had them sitting.
Puncher.
Oh, puncher.
What punch I plane?
Bicycle puncher. Is that your? Yeah, bye-bye. I'm gone.
Oh.
Yeah.
In our ear, you see them?
Yeah.
And then punch out there.
Yeah.
And you pull over.
I blow over upon him, blow the gang up there.
And help him patch the plane.
No, that's not plane.
Where's the team?
Mr. Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye. So you go to England, what happened?
You not go to England.
I mean.
You never go foreign
You
here.
never go foreign.
No,
You're
me.
a liar.
I mean.
Very foreign.
Yeah. And in Jack. Yes, cause Dougie gone.
You lie, bro. You not go to man.
So what happened when you go to England?
You don't know. You don't go over there. I lie, my tail.
What go on when you go over there? What you see? What color England have?
I see me remember for
What color England have?
Black man. I'm black.
Right.
No, sir. Me say,
White and pink.
white and pink England have.
No, man, I'm black.
Hold on, Dougie, you tell me what I say. What color England have?
Red and pink and yellow. You know. Hello.
Hello.
What color
What
this?
sense you
What
have,
color
Dougie?
It's a red.
Dougie.
What sense you have?
Them boy say you have 5 cents.
Hold
Name
on.
them for
Hold
me.
on. How much sense you have?
You know
What
what
sense you
I'm
have?
mad man that. I don't me boy.
How much sense you have in your head right now?
A 5.
You have 5. All right. Name them out now.
Hearing. Smelling. Watch show and watch TV.
Where is them there? You still
Where is the sense?
You don't have more.
No, sir. Name them over. You don't name them.
Hearing. Smelling. Hearing. Smelling. Tasting. Feeling. Bon ganja. And watch show. And watch TV. Married and love.
I'm married all over. So how old are you again?
A 5.
Yeah.
How
old
are you? How are
Yeah,
you?
come with me,
All right.
Mr. Wa.
How are you today?
Banana.
How are you today?
6.
Oh, God. Yo, him say he not no bikini. I sit there a tall man, you know. Over there, you know. Tall man. Love me boy run all this. They will talk. Take it off for you. Tana want you. Tana want you. You say I'm mad man, Tana want you. The girl run a bar no want you. The maga girl run a bar no want you. Tana want you. Jay no want you. Sharon no want you.
So who man had okay?
DJ, no want Jay, me tell that.
Who no want Jay?
Me,
Jay no want you.
no Jay.
Jay no want you.
Oh,
Debbie no want you.
Debbie love me half. Debbie love me half. Nikisha love me half. Look again. Overshot again.
Nobody has what no want you.
Yeah, man, man.